Hello and welcome to day 81 of Bedtime Welsh. We've got a new word for you now. And it kind of means when, but it's when you're asking a question. So if you want to say, when did something happen? You say, pryd. Pryd. Oh, that's a noisy dog over there. So pryd is when. So can you give me when?
Pryd.
Pryd. So how about when do you want?
Pryd wyt ti isio?
Pryd wyt ti isio? Okay. How about when do you need?
Pryd wyt ti angen?
Pryd wyt ti angen? How about when are you going?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd? So you could practice that by thinking of a number of different questions you could ask about when. You could probably say quite a few different ones there if you think about it. And now to wrap up today, let's give you a couple of biggies, a couple of old monsters to see how much of them you can remember. So can you give me, I've heard that you want to see something else.
Dwi wedi clywed bod ti eisiau gweld rhywbeth arall.
Dwi wedi clywed bod ti isio gweld rhywbeth arall. Fantastic if you got any of that. It's a monster, so don't worry if you didn't. And then last one for the day, that you want to see who is in the garden.
Bod ti eisiau gweld pwy sydd yn y gar.
Yn yr ardd. Monkey. Mae'n treiglo. Bod ti isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. And if you remembered that, you're doing fantastically well. Okay, noisy cat to try and throw out of a window here now. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.